Hi guys, so today I am going to start with a tutorial for Pytorch. Um, this video I am just going to show you how to install Pytorch. On the next one I will start with different algorithms starting from linear regression. Okay, so first we go to pytorch.org and there as you can see which build you want. Well, obviously stable your OS. I have a Mac, so I used Mac using pip Python 3.5 and I don't have any CUDA, so I'll click none. After that I will get this command. I just have to copy and paste it in the terminal and Pytorch will be installed. So that's it for installing Pytorch. You will need Pytorch for the next tutorial, so install it and I will see you next time. Thank you.